Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. All right, October the 1st. What you're seeing here is 3 sessions worth of testing the area of the daily mid-band. You saw Friday it rejected up off of 29.08, came in and closed, right around 21, 22, right 25. They tested. You've seen follow through Sunday into Monday, and if this persists, I really don't see much of a reason why. Now that they're over the top of the 29.36 post FOMC reaction that got rejected, they've retraced that entire move. If we close above 36 today, getting up above 47 and making a new all-time high this week is very achievable. The upper band on the daily is right there at the all-time high. What the bulls are able to do with it from there is a different story, but we'll see how that looks when we get there. What do the bears need to do? First of all, I think the bears need news. In a vacuum, this thing is clearly bid, and they're going to need some news to pull it back through. If they could close below the blue line here, the 9-day simple, that would be a start. As we go to the hourly chart, you can see we've got the new weekly pivot down at 29.12.75. Your pre-FOMC level was 29.27.25. Get that out of the way now. So you can see daily mid-band support, daily mid-band support, daily mid-band support. 3 looks at the daily mid-band, all of which held. Chopped around a little bit in the afternoon on Friday, but since we opened up, it's been pretty much straight up back to the post-FOMC levels. They've been pulling it back the last few hours here. I'm flat. I'm not doing anything until we get into the regular session. We open up in about an hour and 10 minutes. I'll be interested to see what the hourly mid-band does here down at 29.30. So, that's really where we are. First of the month, see what it does. Don't dive in. Be patient. Let some of these smaller areas decide what they want to be. What I will say, though, is if we start to see consistent support at the hourly mid-band, then you're going to see the stairs higher. You're going to see the stairs higher. And until the bears can convert a level that matters and keep it converted, how many chances do they have to convert weekly pivot last week? Well, you had one here. Nope, because we're back. Another one, another one, another one. Nope, nope. Really? So until the bears convert a level that matters and keep it converted, tape is bid, which means it wants to go up. In a vacuum, it wants to go higher. Until you start to see things be resistance instead of support, that has to be your mindset. That doesn't mean blind buy everything you see and hold it forever. Everything is a trade. It's been a two-sided tape. Look. This is two-sided, but be smart. Take your profits, roll up stops, look for the next opportunity. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with a ton of stuff on social. I'll catch everybody then, and until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.